Hey guys, this is Futureboy and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you which programming language you learn for big four companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon and Facebook. So guys, you want to know all information about this type of question, so please see full videos. Okay, so guys, this question many times asked on YouTube, which programming language I learn for this big four companies, and many times asked on Google. Okay, so guys, this is not like many people many students thinking he get a job in Google and in top four companies. So guys, this is not easy. Okay, you want to do this, so you have some knowledge of math and also science, but you have more knowledge about programming language. But which programming language you learn for this big four companies? So guys, there are, I am saying four big programming language, four programming language who you learn and thinking you get a job, but you learn fully, not medium, not slow or small. You learn fully those programming languages, then you have a chance to get a job in Google, Microsoft. You have talent, then you get a job in Google. Okay, so guys, how? Which programming language? So guys, I am taking with index 1 2 3 4. So I am starting with fourth language. So guys, fourth language is, now this is present time is running, and I'm not going to past and saying past knowledge. I'm taking with present time, so I will take a present times, not past. Okay, so, okay guys, so fourth programming language I will say you who is Go programming language. Google is very highly Google working on this programming language. And what is this Go programming language, guys? Go is developed by Google, and their uh, prize running, you have Google Go developer and Go programmer, so then you have job watch is $62,000. Okay guys, there is many opportunity with the Go programming language. You learn Go, then you also chance to get a job in Google, but you have learned fully, not you learn Go programming language and you have dropped it. Okay, so you learn fully. Okay, the fourth is Go is very not a, you say, very hard programming language for learning. You learn very easily. Okay guys, so you want to get a job in Google and other companies, then you also learn it Go. Okay guys, which is third? So guys, I'm third, I'll saying this is a very high level programming language, and this is not for easy, you not learn very easily. Okay, the programming language, the name of programming language is Java. You know the name very time. Guys, Java is object oriented programming language. So this is very high level programming language. You learn Java, then you develop a Android mobile application and software application. You many things develop. Okay guys, so Java is very high level programming language. You learn, then you get a perfectly and likely them goodly, guys, you get a job in top four big companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft and Amazon. Java is I think sure you get a job in top big four companies, but learn fully Java. But I think not all think, I think Java is not ended point, any ended point in Java, then comment me. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so guys, Java is very high programming language. You learn, then you have sure fully learn, then sure you have a chance to get a big four companies job in out of country, out of India, out of your country. Okay, so which is second? So guys, I'm saying second. Why I'm saying second? Because the programming language which I second choose, this is very not you learn, then this is not a very hard. Okay, this is the name of programming language is JavaScript. This is my one of the favorite programming language. I am also learning, and I am also very big fan of JavaScript. You develop many websites with JavaScript and many games on web browser games on JavaScript. So JavaScript is the very best programming language. JavaScript learning with not a hard, but you learn fully JavaScript, then you develop many things with JavaScript. And JavaScript recommended top 4 big companies like Microsoft is also hire many. Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, and Google hire many JavaScript programmers. So you want to go on these big 4 companies, then also learn JavaScript fully, because this is mind-blowing programming language. Okay guys, JavaScript is second. So which is first? So guys, first is my best, and I am working on this. Okay, so guys, this is the first. The programming language, the name of programming language is Python. This is my one of the best programming language, and I am recommended you go and learn firstly Python. Python. Why Python, guys? Because Python is now very recommended. Like their job in $1 lakh, $2 lakh, many dollars in another country. Like Google hire, Microsoft hire Python programmer, Facebook hire Python programmer, and also Amazon hire Python programmer, and also many companies hire Python programmer. Why? Because there is many recommendation you do with Python, artificial intelligence, make a neural network, create a neural network, deep learning, TensorFlow classification, OpenCV, image recognition, and many things you want do with. Also you do with develop a website with a developer with Flask. Also there a framework with Flask and Django. So there is many huge opportunity in Python. So guys, you learn Python, then go now. I have also running a Python tutorial in my channel. Go on my YouTube channel Futureboy and go on playlist and take a course of Python. This is for beginners, for us students. Okay guys, so guys, you learn Python fully, then you perfectly, and I am sure you have talent and you have some math knowledge, then you have 100% sure you have get a job in top big 4 companies. 100% sure guys. Okay guys, so these are 4 big programming languages present time. In past time also C and C++ is also very high level programming language, but I'm not include C. So guys, you learn C, you will also get a big 4 companies. Okay guys, so these programming language guys, Python, JavaScript, Go and there is many other. Okay guys, so Java and also C. So guys, you learn this programming language, one of these programming language, then you get a job. Okay guys, so I hope guys you like this video. I hope guys you enjoy this video, and any problem in this tutorial, please comment us. We reply fast as possible, and please comment Java is ended point, and please subscribe our channel, for more tutorials, Python tutorials, artificial tutorials, artificial intelligence. You get a job, then please subscribe, because you learn now, not wait for you pass 12, you out of 12 you get a college, then you learn programming language. No guys, this is the best time, go and learn now. So guys, please subscribe our channel Futureboy, and thanks for watching guys. Any problem, please comment us. We reply fast as possible, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.